Welcome to this course on Salsa Lady Styling, how to find your own unique, smooth and juicy way of moving as a woman. Now, I started salsa dancing a long time ago and I figured out at a certain point that I so much enjoy it for expressing myself, but also for finding my femininity, that I started teaching it pretty straight away. What I found out during the years is that many women have trouble in finding their own unique beauty in movement. Obviously, you can try to copy others if there's a good example in your class or something, but salsa to me is more about finding your own and making it your own, because you as yourself are totally beautiful and amazing the way you are. So in this course, I'm going to teach you all the things you need to know about salsa as a woman. We start with the basic step, we do the whole body movement technique, the cool Shakira hip movements. We do a lot of basic, intermediate and advanced salsa lady styling steps, and we even do a show choreo in the end. But what is more, I'm going to encourage you to learn the technique, to find your own style, to find your own unique beauty in moving. So, I'm really looking forward to see you on the other side, because I'm totally convinced that this course will help you to become not just a good salsa dancer, but to become really confident in you being an absolutely beautiful woman.